guess we're looking at them together.
Hello, squad. My name is Brett. So, can anyone tell me what a stereotype is?
The Irish are potato-eating drunk.
No idea.
Extra ranch, no tomato, no cilantro. This is just a list of modifications on a signature salad from Panera.